jumped off the wagon.
Hey YouTube, today I'm in Corning, New York at the Corning Museum of Glass, and I'm going through the contemporary exhibits right now, but we're gonna check out some demonstrations and stuff along the way. So let's go take a look. That's pretty cool. Hard to believe that that's all glass. Nice little village, but it's raining knives. I really like this one, and the time it took to not only make every individual glass piece, but to wear them all together. So down here in the amphitheater, they do some glass blowing demonstrations, and take a look at little excerpts from that. One of the things I remember from when I came here as a youth was this big blank for a telescope mirror. It was judged to be too flawed to be ground into a mirror, but on the other side, it's all honeycombed to save on weight. Okay, so check out what happens with this mirror as I walk closer. Ooh. So this would be pretty cool on the bus, but so have you ever been in a really old house where they had to blow the glass by hand? And they did it sort of like this. I would blow a big thing, spin it in order to get glass like that. And it would have been called bullseye glass because you wouldn't want to waste it just because there was the pintle mark there. And if you're like me as a teenager, I actually collected bottles, so I had a lot of ones that were hand blown and had the little pintle mark on the bottom where it would have been attached to a thing where they blow the bottle, and then to take it off, they're attached to a little piece to the bottom and form the lip of the bottle, and then break it off, and you have a little circle of glass on the bottom. So one of the other demonstrations that they do here is making little figurines. Glass. You might have seen this done in a mall. There are people that travel around and do this for as a living. So what a nice looking concept car. The console inside and all the windows use Gorilla Glass, which is Corning's chemically strengthened glass. Was first developed for smartphones, and it's strong enough to meet automotive safety standards. And then the sunroof and the back window covered with a film contains suspended nanoparticles. Using a touchpad menu on the car's console, driver passengers send electric signals to align the film's nanoparticles, change the window's tint. So pretty cool. Assume it's off there. And I remember when my mom, when we first got Corningware, and my mom demonstrating how it was unbreakable. Every once in a while she'd toss a plate on the floor and it would shatter into a gazillion pieces. Never know what it was, just struck it just right. Well, I think that's going to conclude my my visit here to the Corning Museum of Glass. It cost $20 for an adult, and senior discount only cost me $17. Pretty interesting. Has changed quite a bit since last time I was here when I was a teenager, I think. So I'm going to get back on the road and see what else I can find. See you later, YouTube. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. I do have a Patreon account. The link is down below in case you'd like to help me out a little bit for even as little as $1 a month, just to help me out with admission prices and fuel to get around and so on. So if you already are a Patreon, thank you. And if you're thinking about it, thank you. The videos are still going to be free, but every little bit helps. Thank you again. Bye.